Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to sticky add to cart option in Shopify. So to get started, a sticky add to cart button is a floating button that stays visible on customers scroll down the product page, making it easier for time to add items on their cart without scrolling back. Shopify doesn't include sticky add to cart button by default, but you can easily add without coding by using a Shopify app. So to do this, go to the Shopify app store and search for apps like sticky add to cart booster pro, or can also search for quickify sticky add to cart or unlikely stickify add to cart bar. So these apps are designed to significantly to add floating add to cart button to your product page. Once you install the app, you will get a visual dashboard where you can enable the sticky button, choose its position top or bottom of the screen. Then from there you can customize the appearance to match your store styles, including color, button text, size, animations. Some app would even let you display products, variant, quantify selectors, and a dynamic checkout button in the sticky bar. This app can do all the technical work for you, so there is no need to edit your theme's code. After saving the settings, the sticky add to cart button will appear on your product page and stay visible as customers scroll.